Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today you will learn how to read base words with ER ending. These are short words you already know. We're just adding ER and reading them together. Before we start reading ER words, let's learn the sound it makes. First, just listen while I say the ER sound 3 times. Er, er, er. Now say it with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Er, er, er. Great job. Now let's try it with some words. We'll say the word, then we'll say the ER sound, then the whole word together. Ready? Let us begin. Fish, fisher. Ranch, rancher. Great job. Here's the first rule. For most short words, we just add ER. The spelling of the word stays the same. Let's read the words together. Ready? Let us begin. Help, helper. Jump, jumper. Camp, camper. Great job. Rule number 2, double the last letter. If a short word has one vowel and ends with one consonant, we double the last letter like this before adding ER. We never double W, X, or Y. Let's read the words together. Ready? Let us begin. Hop, hopper. Run, runner. Sit, sitter. Great job. Let's practice reading words where the base word stays the same before adding ER. Let's read each word out loud together. Ready? Let us begin. Send, sender. Hunt, hunter. Rent, renter. Lend, lender. Mix, mixer. Great job. Pause the video if you want more time to practice. Now, let's practice the words where we double the last letter. Let's read the words together. Ready? Let us begin. Bat, batter. Win, winner. Jog, jogger. Drum, drummer. Great job. Now it's time to read our ER words together. But a quick reminder, before we start reading words, let's go over the 2 rules one more time. Rule number 1, if the word ends normally, just add ER, like jump, jumper, camp, camper. Rule number 2. If the word has one vowel and ends in one consonant, we double the last letter like this before adding ER. Let's read the words together. Ready? Let us begin. Hop, hopper. Run, runner. Remember, we never double W, X, or Y. Now, let's use these rules as we read. Ready? Let us begin. Now, here's how we will do it. First, we will read the base word. Then, we will say the ER sound. Last, we will say the whole word together. We'll go through all the words this way. Then at the end, we will read the full list of words straight through without stopping. Ready? Let us begin. Sick, sicker. Wick, wicker. Raft, rafter. Sift, sifter. Soft, softer. Milk, milker. Bulk, bulker. Help, helper. Camp, camper. Jump, jumper. Lend, lender. Send, sender. Fund, funder. Hang, hanger. Hung, hunger. Bank, banker. Rent, renter. Hunt, hunter. Punt, punter. Fish, fisher. Rich, richer. Ranch, rancher. Pinch, pincher. Munch, muncher. Catch, catcher. Pitch, pitcher. Fast, faster. Test, tester. Dust, duster. Box, boxer. Sing, singer. Lock, locker. Bump, bumper. Long, longer. Buzz, buzzer. Kick, kicker. Tank, tanker, mix, mixer, bet, better, fib, fibber, run, runner, win, winner, bat, batter, hit, hitter, sit, sitter, rob, robber, zip, zipper, big, bigger, hot, hotter, sin, sinner, fat, fatter, jog, jogger, up, upper, drum, drummer, supper. Great job. Now we will review the full list straight through without stopping. Ready? Let us begin. Sicker, wicker, rafter, sifter, softer, milker, bulker, helper, camper, jumper, lender, sender, funder, hanger, hunger, banker, renter, hunter, punter, fisher, richer, rancher, pincher, muncher, catcher, pitcher, faster, tester, duster, boxer, singer, locker, bumper, longer, buzzer, kicker, tanker, mixer, better, fibber, runner, winner, batter, hitter, sitter, robber, sipper, bigger, hotter, sinner, fatter, jogger, upper, drummer, supper. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 23. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to spend a few minutes each day reviewing the lesson you've learned. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It's a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.